Hello friends, welcome to my new video. This video I need to show you the Dubai vehicle registration and passing work, all detail by detail. So try to see the full video. So guys, if you are watching my video in first time, please subscribe my channel and share it, also like it. Please put the bell icon also. Thank you. So we'll go to the video. Hello friends, so this time I take my car to Alvasal Vehicle Testing Center. The last time I think everybody saw that Inox station. I went to there and did that testing and everything. I think everybody liked that video. So this video I need to share normal vehicle passing and registration work. So guys, I am going to inside that vehicle testing center. So here you can see on the gate, the first gate we have to give our mulkia. It means that old registration card. Then they will give you one ticket for that. This is the base. Here you can see nobody is there. The old base are empty. Yeah, one vehicle I can see from here. Only one vehicle is only I can see here, because all other bay you can see this empty. So I just keep the car there and hand over to them. So with this ticket and mulkia go inside. I saw there is one machine. The other place I didn't see this one. Here we need to enter our email ID and mobile number and that ticket number 2. Then only we can go inside. See, this one I didn't see there. The last time I did that, I told you in Inox station, there I didn't do this. I only saw here. So very carefully I need to fill all the details here. Then it will update in the system. So that's the things you can see here what I'm doing. I just checked with the reception this for what. So they just explained to me, this is the result will come through the email or our mobile number. The other place we just give the mobile number or email by just writing to the paper. Here we need to enter in that tab. So it is easy, I think more easy. After the entering the everything, we can just go and wait the waiting area. We can see the vehicle what they are doing from the back. So I just complete entering the details in the tab. So after that I just went to the waiting area. They said you can wait there. The result and the payment everything will be there. So I just want to go there. So when I check there, nobody is there. You can see there. I think not the last compared to the last year is too rush the last year. See, you can see here nobody is there. So it means we can do that testing and everything we can do very fastly from here also. That I am understanding. So guys, you can see here the car is checking there on the display on the LED screen. You can see they are just put it up and checking everything one by one. So I think this vehicle testing center have more facilities. So this place also good. So I can recommend this place also. This is located in, I think everybody know that opposite Jeddah side. I think it's called Alvasal Vehicle Testing Center. You can just Google map it. It's showing there. So guys, they're done the testing and everything. The car is going down. You can see on the display. Landmark I can give you that Alvasal Club and Belhassa Driving Institute. You can find beside there also. Now I saw on the screen my token number is called. So I need to go the other counter. There is that we need to pay the fees for the passing fees. It's coming 170 dirham. So they're just asking that vehicle number only. Here you can see the test report center. It means that vehicle passing result we can get here. Here we need to pay the 170 dirham, 170. There is also you can pay by card or by cash also. Both they will accept. So after that payment, you can see on your message or you can check in your email. There should be that passing report. If it is failed or yeah, I can see in my report is passed. So after that we can go proceed to the next step. So guys, everywhere is the machine now. So the old system have been changed. So you can see that everywhere is in the system. Before we go to the machine, we should have taken our insurance with us. Here you can choose the language, whatever language you preferred. So I choose English. Then we go to the RTA service. Here I can see so many more options are there on the screen. So I chose the vehicle registration service and vehicle registration renewal. There is two options also. Then here I told you before also, we have to enter in the first column traffic file number, that you can see in the Mulkia in the registration card, traffic TC number. We have to enter the TC number, it means traffic file number. Then after the second column, we need to enter the vehicle registration number, vehicle plate number. After, we need to enter owner birthday year only. Guys, this is somebody people is always getting confused, because you need to enter only the year. This 4-letter year only we can enter there. Then the last one, we need to enter that plate code. It means that alphabetic code will be there. We need to enter the plate code. So I just enter my plate code. Then we can go to search. The next page, we can see in our car the whole details will be there. Then we can just proceed. The next step, it will take few seconds, just searching the whole details, because if you have any fines or traffic fines or something in like that, anything, see, we can see here I have vehicle renewal fees. It means I did I think 2 days delay. That delay charges is came for 10 dirham and 350 dirham for that renewal charge, sticker charge 10 dirham, and knowledge fees for 20 dirham. Total is came 390 dirham. I just give the next step. We can choose here card or cash. I just choose card. So we can just go proceed, enter to the card in the system. After, just enter and take it from there. Then you have to enter the CCV number. Is showing the CCV number. You can see the backside card 3-digit number. Just enter the CCV number. Then that process will be completed. So we had to wait a few minutes also, not minutes, few seconds. So it's processing now. After that, you can see the whole machine here. Yeah, it's showing here payment is completely successful and processing. You can see from the system. I'm just waiting for that registration card and sticker. The system is still showing that processing. Okay guys, I think this is the thing everybody is implemented in the new RTA system. So I just received my Mulkia, and it means registration card and the sticker. So guys, I need to tell you one more thing. If you want to do this all, so yeah, I just received my receipt also. If you want to do all these things, you can do it online also. Just complete the things online and do the purchasing, the insurance also. After, you can come back the machine. You can just enter that file number. You can just enter. Then you can get that Mulkia. It means that registration card. You can do that way also. That information I got it from my one of friend. So he helped me for that. So guys, I'm going to get my car. Also here you can get more facilities, like if you want to wash your car or if you want to change your tires, and some technical things also you can do. The garage is here, so whole facilities here also. So this is the good thing. Next, I need to paste the sticker on the number plate, backside of the number plate, you can see here. So this is the last step. We completed everything. I hope everybody liked this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like it, share it, and on the bell icon. You can get the more update, more videos. See you soon with the next new video. Okay, thank you.